How do we solve this trigonometric equation? We have 9 raised power sine square x plus 9 raised power cos square x equals 6, where x is the angle and bounded between 0 and pi over 2. This is 90 degree and this is 0 degree, but in radian we have 0 and pi over 2. Solution. So we have 9 raised power sine square x plus 9 raised power cos square x equals 6. We have to recall from trigonometry that cos square x equals 1 minus sine square x. So we are going to plug in this value here. So we have 9 raised power sine square x plus 9 raised power 1 minus sine square x equals 6. Now, we have 9 raised power sine square x plus, using laws of indices, we have 9 raised power 1 times 9 raised power minus sine square x equals 6, which implies 9 raised power sine square x plus 9. This is inverse of 1 over 9 raised power sine square, so we have 9 raised power sine square x, that is 9 raised power minus sine square x is the same thing as writing 1 over 9 raised power sine square x. That's what we applied here, which is equals to 6. So now, suppose we let this guy 9 raised power sine square x to be equals p. So now it implies that p plus 9 over this guy is p equals 6. By finding the LCM, we have p here, so we have p into p times p, we have p squared plus p divided by p, that's 1. 1 times 9, we have 9 equals 6. Cross multiplication, we have p squared plus 9 equals 6 times p, we have 6p, which implies p squared plus 9 minus 6p equals 0, where this guy comes to the left side. So we have p squared minus 6p plus 9 equals 0. By factorization, we are going to have p minus 3 times p minus 3 equals 0. When we factorize this guy, we are going to obtain these values, which implies p equals 3 or p equals 3. So to be distinct, we have p to be equals 3. Now, don't forget we let p to be equals sine square s here. So when p equals 3, our value for p is 3. So we are going to equate this guy with 3. So we have 9 raised power sine square x equals p is 3. So now this is 9. We can write this as 3 raised power 2 sine square x equals 3. This guy is the same thing as the power of 3 here is 1. So this the base is the same. We have 2 sine square x equals 1. Dividing both sides by 2, we have sine square x equals half. So now let's square the both sides. When we square the both sides, square root of both sides, we have this becomes sine x, and this becomes square root of 1, that's 1, and we have square root of 2, plus or minus. Now, how do we now find x? Don't forget that the angle is bounded between 0 and pi over 2. So we are going to consider the positive root. So we have sine x equals 1 over root 2. Arc sine of both sides, we have x to be arc sine of 1 over root 2. So x equals, when we take the arc sine of 1 over root 2, we are going to obtain 45 degree, which is equals to pi over 4 in radians. So the value for x in this equation, trigonometric equation, when x is bounded between 0 and pi over 2, is simply pi over 4. That's it. Thanks for watching.